I'm going to show you how I hook up a Rode pod mic via Zoom H6 into my computer here, and then I'm going to use OBS, and then I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So first and foremost, you have your Rode pod mic hooked into there via XLR, because if you guys look at the back of this, all it has is an XLR. So it's gonna come to the Zoom, and then I have this plugged in via cord coming into the computer there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come over here, turn it on. All right, and you have two options, SD card reader or audio interface. We're gonna use this toggle on the backside. As you can see, it scrolled down. Then I'm gonna press in, and then it's going to show me stereo mix or multi-track. So I'm gonna come down to multi-track. So I would say right here, you guys, do not use this function. Use stereo mix, because this is what it's going to sound like. Go. All right, so you should be hearing me now on the Rode pod mic. And again, you're gonna use this switch here, and you're gonna see it, and I'm gonna press in. It's gonna use, there's gonna say PC Mac, or it's gonna say PC Mac using the battery power of this. And again, I don't have any batteries in it. It's all off of this cord here. So we're gonna go to this top function, PC Mac, press that in. Cool. Then now you have your options here. And again, make sure this right here is it's selected. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And I have 1, and I'm actually speaking into the Rode right now. Nothing's coming up, as you can see. So I'm gonna arm number 4, right? So we're gonna arm number 4, and as you can see, it is going up and down, right? So right here is where you want to set it to. I believe I had it on 1 at 7, so I'm just gonna come up here. I'm gonna adjust it. And you can see as I speak up into the mic, it's gonna be high. So I want to adjust it between, or I want it to hit at about -12. So as I'm just speaking, of course, you want to kind of know how to speak into the mic, right? So you're just gonna have it there. So I already have it set up here pretty good. 7 and 7, I think it is. All right, that should be good. Speak into the mic, 1, 2, 3, and you should be good. Okay, that's pretty good, right? So now we're gonna hop over to the computer. So on my Stream Deck here, I have an option for OBS, right? But first, I wanna go into my computer settings here. Let me see if I can hold the camera right. I would be using OBS right now, but I wanna show you exactly what I do to get to OBS. Let me bring this over real quick. All right. Okay. You're gonna go to System. You're gonna go to Sounds, and then you have your options here. So so you have your output, which I don't have speakers, and I will use the computer through the headphones right here. So I have the output perfect, right? And then if we kind of come down over here to the input, so this is going to be like your speakers, right? I do have an HD Pro webcam that is that up there, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use the input from the H6 right there. So I'm speaking into it, and you can see it's still working. So after you have this set, this is perfect. So as you use OBS, if you, I guess, don't hear anything, this could be the main cause right there. So we're gonna go out of that and we're gonna hop over to the Stream Deck and we're gonna use OBS button. So I'm gonna show you what I kind of have. So I have all my, I guess, certain things set up for scenes, right? And here's the actual button that launches the actual app. So I'm gonna come over here and launched it wherever it is. There it is. All right, so let's make this big. And now what I'm going to do is come into my settings here. So scenes, if you don't already have a scene, okay, cool. You will have to set it up, but you want your audio in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press plus on here, and then I'm going to add the audio input, right? So you're gonna come over here. You should have your options here. If you wanna add in a new audio source, I would say either the H6 or whatever you are going to use. You're going to create new. I already have mine already set. It's the H6 interface is what I called it. And then you'll press OK, right? And then it should appear right over here, right? So let me come down. H6 right there. And actually, let me lift up this flap so you can probably see me. Let's come over to the video capture device. Let's do that one. Oh, I do have a separate app I actually use, which is pretty sick. So anyways, you are seeing me on the actual webcam right up here. So now let's, let me speak into the Rode, and I'm the H6. All right, so you have your options right here. You're going to come over here into default and all this kind of stuff. So you can use the microphone H6. And now I'm going to press start recording over here. And 1, 2, 3, and go. All right, so you should be hearing me now on the Rode Pod mic. So let me put my headphones on. You actually don't really need headphones for something of this sort, but I just like to have on headphones because it gets me in the mode to do all this kind of stuff here. But so as you can see up on the screen here, you're going to, go to H6 and all that kind of stuff. And here's a quick, I guess, if you're about to hear something else. So let me hop over to, that's the H6 input. So here's what it sounds like if you only use the mic from the actual webcam. You guys, it's pretty bad. So let's go over to add existing. Let's go to the microphone. So let me take off the H6, and here's what it sounds like on the actual webcam. So if you want to get something like a Rode Pod mic, you have to use some kind of audio interface. Either this one, they have a I believe Rode has one. I believe Scarlett has one. All this extra stuff. So let's hop back over to the Zoom H6 as I'm speaking. So that I do wonder how that sounded. But here's just super simple. This is right out of the box. Of course, you have your options. I'm not going to jump into these right now. Actually, whoops, wrong one. All right, we're going to go into filters, and you have all your options right here. Noise suppression, 3-band equalizer. These are the ones I have set up because it works perfectly fine for me. But that is how you set up your Zoom H6 with a Rode mic.